figure out what's going on with your tag?
Of course.
All right, I'm gonna walk back to the car. I'll be right back. What the hell are you doing?
This cannot be
You're not
real.
supposed to have a firearm. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Walk to the car. Walk to the car.
Dude, this
Hands.
cannot
Put your
be
hands on the
real.
ਕੀ Who said you could have a firearm on a ride-along? Huh?
I don't know. I just trying to see
What
what's
is going
All right,
on?
well, you're not supposed to have a firearm on you.
What's up, guys? Squink here, former cop, future Australian Shepherd entertainer, here to break down another video and answer the question that everyone wants to know, which is, what the hell are the cops doing? Let's get into it. Today's video comes from Bodycam Declassified. Crazy guy on police ride-along brings loaded gun. Awesome. I've had many ride-alongs in my career in law enforcement. None of them, to my knowledge, brought a loaded gun, so I can't wait to see where this goes.
I'm Officer Gonzalez. I'll be your ride-along officer today. Do me a favor, get in the car, and we'll talk about some of the stuff we'll be going over today, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, man.
I'm excited. Can't wait.
So am I. Looking forward to it.
He goes, I brought a gun. Is that okay?
So there are some rules and some stuff that you need to know
The first rule is, if you have a loaded weapon, just go ahead and toss it out the window to your right.
about. So, first off, let me let dispatch know that I got my ride-along.
Man, it's just like the movies, man. I can't wait.
Hopefully it won't be too much like the movies.
I want some action, man.
All right, man. Hey,
I brought a loaded gun, so make sure that action happens.
dispatch, this is Gonzalez. I'm out with one unarmed civilian observer. Reference my ride-along for today. I'll advise if I have anything.
I don't know why he specified unarmed civilian observer. I've never heard of an armed civilian observer. So, I don't know. This is interesting so far.
So, well, what we're going to do throughout the day is, since we're a ride-along unit, we won't be the primary unit. We'll be the backup unit on certain calls. I may or may not, if I see something happening in front of us, do what's called a traffic stop, or if I see a suspicious person, I'll stop them. I'll let you know when you can and cannot get out of the car, and just have a good time.
I want some action, man. I'm police for the day, man. I need action.
Oh, no. Let's get one thing perfectly straight. You're not police for the day.
What is going on?
I'm police, man. You deputized me, man. I want some action, man.
I'm glad you have the right attitude for today.
Gotta go fight some crime, man. Starkey and Hutch, man.
We will fight some crime, and you're dating yourself with the Starsky and Hutch comments. I don't think too many people remember Starsky.
I'm getting so many red flags already. The comments we've heard him say are such big red flags, in my opinion. I don't know. Is this real?
Hutch.
We gonna fight some crime today, man.
Oh, so you think you're Batman and Robin right now, huh?
I want some action, man.
All right. Well, we'll see what we can find. So, how'd you hear about the ride-along program?
Craigslist.
Okay.
Yeah, I hit him up immediately, man. I didn't want to miss out. You know, I'm usually on the other side of it.
Oh,
Now I get to be the police, man.
This is one way that you get to find out what we do.
So there are certain protocols and things you got to go through in order to be accepted, to be allowed to be a ride-along. Lots of major felonies automatically disqualify you if they're within a specific time frame. That's about it, though. That's about it that I can think of, that I remember.
So hopefully we'll have a good time. We'll have a safe time, all right?
I want some action, man.
All
Right, you mentioned that a
you
few
want
times.
action, but let's be safe about it. All right, so I'm gonna pull this car over because you see that it's got no tag.
Right.
So this is what we call a traffic stop.
Right.
Dispatch, be advised, this is Officer Gonzalez. I'm stopping a white Range Rover, reference no tags.
I've also never heard I've never heard of a department use their full names over the radio rather than a call sign or badge number. So this is interesting. I have no idea where this is.
Advise on a backup if I need it.
I'll look afterwards.
Wait here. I'll come get you when it's safe.
Also, a lot of ride-alongs are not allowed to exit the vehicle. So it's got no plates. That's probably why he pulled it over.
Afternoon, sir. Driver's license, registration, and insurance, please.
I do have a gun in the car.
You have a gun in the car?
Yeah, it's in
All right.
the box.
Do you know why I stopped you?
Yes, sir.
All right, I stopped you because you don't have a tag on your car.
You don't?
No, sir.
I don't know what happened there.
Do you mind if I check your paperwork and we'll figure out what's going on with your tag?
Of course.
All right, I'm going to walk back to the car. I'll be right back.
Okay.
What the hell are you doing?
This cannot be
You're not
real.
supposed to have a firearm. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Walk to the car. Walk to the car.
Dude, this
Hands.
cannot
Put
be
your hands
real.
on the car. Who said you could have a firearm on a ride-along? Huh?
I don't know. I just trying to see what's
What
going on.
is going
All right,
on?
well, you're not supposed to have a firearm on you.
Trying to explore my options, man.
No. Did they not explain it to you when you were signed up for the program?
I thought I was about to be the policeman.
Nah, you're not the policeman. No way are you the policeman. This is
Are
a community
you
outreach
kidding me?
program. And whoever told you that was okay, no way.
I thought I was a policeman
No.
like you.
No.
I was coming for backup,
Sir.
man. I was coming to give you some backup.
Best part is when he just like slyly comes out from behind the police with the gun. What?
I appreciate that, but you're not a police officer. You're a community ride-along outreach person.
I thought you needed backup, man. I was trying to give you some backup.
I appreciate that, but you're not allowed to have a gun. Why?
This guy also sounds like super high. Like super high. And that has nothing to do with his Rastafarian hat. He just has slowed speech. And maybe this is just how he talks, but he seems a little...
Why would you have
I'm
a
just
gun on
blown
you?
away.
It's legal in Florida.
I understand that it's legal in Florida.
Florida. Why am I not
Trying to
surprised?
help you out, man. Give you some suppressing fire, man.
Okay, you know I just met you today. There's no way I know what you can or cannot do with a firearm. You're not supposed to have a firearm on you at all. Do you understand that?
Okay.
You just committed a felony.
Wow. Just for trying to protect the police officer.
I appreciate you trying to help me, but not that way. We'll talk about this when we get to the station. Do you understand?
Man, I thought I was coming to be the policeman.
No. Absolutely not.
Dude, are you kidding me right now? Like, for real. I am just kind of trying to process everything I have just seen. I cannot imagine my ride-along just appearing from behind my squad vehicle with a gun and then making comments that he was going to be suppressing fire on a traffic stop. And how do you explain it to this guy? Hey, sorry, my ride-along was going to shoot your vehicle up because he thought I was in danger.
I'm gonna let you go with a warning because I have my hands full with my ride-along right about now.
All right, I appreciate it.
All right?
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Dude, he just came from... Oh
Do you
my...
realize what you just did and how much trouble you're in?
You should be thanking me. I was trying to help you out by providing backup, you know? I could have saved your life out there, man. That dude could have had the drop on you.
I should be thanking you.
That guy did have a gun, so, you know, anything could have happened. And then Mr. Rasta here indeed could have saved this officer's life, and this officer should be thankful for that.
You seriously believe I should be thanking you?
And it's a ride along, man. We got some action the first day. This is what I came on a ride along for. I wanted some action, man.
No. You want action? Go play video games. This is serious stuff, man. I can't have anybody in the car that I don't know or I don't trust with a firearm.
And your life could have been in danger, man. I was your guardian angel. You know?
I appreciate you think you tried to do the right thing, but you did not. Not at all. You just got yourself a felony. You just ruined the podcast of the city and the community. Do you know how much paperwork is involved with this craziness?
Nah, we can make this all go away. You can just drop me off right up here at the light on the corner, you know, and you'll never see me again.
Yeah, that's not happening.
Wow, dude. You have got to be kidding
I
me.
signed up for a ride along. I thought I was a police officer for a day, man.
No. Ride along is you get to ride in the car, you get to see what we do. It helps you get some community understanding.
Guys,
It tries to build a...
can you imagine if he had just started laying down suppressing fire like he was talking about? Just imagine. I cannot fathom being in this officer's position. I'm blown away. This doesn't even seem real.
partnership with the community, but it gives you no right at all for you to have a firearm on you.
This is Florida, man. Firearms are legal, man.
Absolutely, firearms are legal, but they're not legal on a ride-along.
So if I would have told you, alerted you first that I had the weapon, it would have been okay. You just didn't like the fact that you didn't know I had one.
No, you were told at the police station when you signed all the paperwork that you couldn't be armed at the time. If you brought one after you were given that warning, that's why it's a felony.
Dude.
So, we're gonna take care of this in the station, all right?
I don't see what the big fuss is all about, you know?
Oh, well, I'll explain to you the big fuss in a minute.
Wow. I can't even understand. I don't even know what to say. I don't. I'm so blown away. Wow. I think the officer handled it the best to his ability. Just imagine the surprise. I cannot imagine being in that situation. I think he handled it well. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.